this look. Look at this look. Hair done, makeup done, lips popping, them popping. I'm not taking it off. Them popping, teeth them white like snow. You stop.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, it's your girl More, and if you want more, I'll give you more. Given by the title, I have achieved this look for you guys. I mean, doing this look, I have completely different eyes. I don't even look like me. I think, what do you guys think? Because we think she did a good job. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have already primed my lids, slapped some, you know, concealer on there, done my brows. So let's get into this fox look. So I'm gonna go in with this Freedom palette here and put that. I'm gonna make like a liner, like a line across there. So let's see if I can do that, honey. I felt that it was best to start with the darkest shade first, and then I can always blend it out with like a nice like brown or something, so it's not so harsh. I can already tell I did this eye better. I can already tell. I feel like the tape really helps, because you can just angle your brush and make the perfect line like this. But it's all about the way you position the tape. So now I'm gonna go with the nude Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna be taking Raw. I'm just gonna be taking this cute little brush here, go upwards in a nice motion, the same that I did with the black shade, and then in the crease. Just gonna go with a clean brush here. Almost like a show. Just gonna go in with a clean brush and just blend that out a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. Lashes are now on. I feel a little bit like myself, okay? So I did put a little bit of foundation on. Oh wow, I did a good job. In order for me to complete this eye look, and especially the inner parts of the eye, I need to, you know, complete my face. So I'll be right back with the basics of my face. So your girl is back looking great, honey. Okay, let's not get too happy. To finish the eyes look now, I'm first gonna go in with, I haven't seen much people do this, but I'm gonna go with some white eyeliner. It makes your eyes pop, and given that this is like a fox look, like I kind of want the pupils to just pop, and I got small eyes anyway, so I might as well. Ooh, I see a difference. Do you? Look. So now I'm gonna go with my mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna use the tweezer method. So I'm just gonna use the tweezers, get a lot of product on there, and then grab as much as my bottom lashes as I can. Now for the inner parts of the eye, to fully complete this fox look, I'm gonna go with some dip liner. This is really good as well if you want to like hide your lash line. So I'm just gonna go in here and do this side first. I'm not here to play with anyone today. Hey, I want to do it thicker. Let's not get too excited. So this is the eyes. Yes, honey. So next is the lips. I've been dying to do my lips because my lips are so dry right now, you guys. Dry. So I'm actually gonna go in with a brown lip pencil. And I'm gonna outline my lips. So now I'm gonna go in with like a nudish lipstick. This is from Revolution. I'm just gonna smack up. I keep saying smack. I should stop saying smack. I'm gonna apply some of this on. That's better. Apply. I'm gonna go in with a Gold Digger highlight here. Nice gold shade there. And you guys know you can never go wrong with lip gloss. So I'm gonna smack some clear lip gloss over this pretty lip. That is cute. Now we're just gonna set this. We're gonna be using, is this Benefit? We're gonna be using setting spray by Benefit. Yeah. This is the final look. I think it turned out really pretty. What do you guys think? Guys, and this is the final look. I mean, do you guys like it? Do you guys think that I achieved the look? Do you guys think it was a good idea for me to use the white eyeliner, let the eyes pop a little bit? Do you think I should have stayed to black and had it more dark? What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments if you liked it. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!